this video, I'll show you how you can open firewall ports on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you want to do is come here and search for firewall, open up the firewall, and from in here you want to go to advanced settings. Once you're in here, you'll be able to see inbound rules and outbound rules. Now you can select either one, and I'm just going to do an inbound rule. So you want to click on new rule in here, then you want to select port, press next. In here you can select TCP or UDP, so I'll just do a UDP, and then you want to type in the port. So in my case I'll just do 443, and then next. Then you can choose here which one you want, so I'll just allow the connection, and you can select which of these. Next, give it a name, I'll just call it 443, and a description if you want. Then simply press finish, and you can see I've now opened the port for this one. So that's basically how it works, guys. In here you can also see all the inbound rules that you have for your games. These will be automatically created when you play the games, so I did not make all of these, but that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.